Hi everyone, the next super cool platform I'd like to share with you is an interactive classroom management tool called Classcraft. Classcraft is a sort of game-like reward system that you can implement into your classroom. The teacher on Classcraft creates a list of their students and then is able to select what type of behavior that is going to be worked on by the class, and that is rewarded via experience points. The experience points that I've selected for my proposed first grade classroom on here are showing self-control. So whenever a student shows self-control, then you'll just go into here. I'm going to move my face around so I can have access to the screen. You'll go in here and you'll give points. Some more cool aspects to Classcraft are you can utilize the stopwatch, timer. There's even a volume meter that you can display up on your screen and let your students know when it's getting too loud in the classroom. There's pre-made videos by Classcraft on here that introduce the students to all of the concepts, the rewards they can win. So obviously the audience for this technology is students, and then the ISTE standards that are covered are first 3.3.E, develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. So this is these are assessments of their behavior. And then 3.1.C, model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. Thank you for watching.